Hi, welcome to this review. And today is an unusual review because I don't usually review tools, but I just have to review this tool because I'm pretty excited about it. The total price for this was under $20 Canadian. I think it was like $15 Canadian. I was looking for the receipt, but I can't find the receipt. But it was like $15 Canadian, which is pretty cheap. So it was like around maybe $12 to $15 US with exchange rate. But anyways, what I was looking for is I had this like project that I was working on, and I thought it was going to be a T10 Torx. But there's a couple things that I needed for this T10 Torx. I needed it to be, the hole was really thin, so I couldn't stick a regular screwdriver into the hole because the hole was too narrow. And the other thing too, there was a deep socket, like there was 2.5 plus inches. So it had to be quite long and thin to get into this, to get the screw out of this piece of electronics I was working on. So off I went to the store I went to Home Depot looking for, when I looked at Home Depot, they had these sort of L-shaped Torx drivers, and I thought that would do the trick. But they didn't, turns out they didn't have them at that store, the Home Depot that I went to. They didn't have any in stock, which I probably could have checked before I went. But anyways, around the corner is this place. I live in Canada. There's a place called Canadian Tire. And Canadian Tire has been around ever since I was a kid. And what it is I'm like 52 years old, and Canadian Tire, I'm originally from Ottawa, Canada, and Canadian Tire, they used to have a store near where I lived, and we used to go there to get everything from, they had a really nice parts department for cars. So at that time, there was a lot of American cars, and you could go get yourself an alternator, or you get, they carried a lot of parts for cars. So the store is called Canadian Tire. If you ever come visit Canada, look up if there's a Canadian Tire around and just check it out so you can say you've been to a Canadian Tire. So there's been the demise of a lot of hardware stores. Like Sears used to sell a lot of tools, and Sears is no more, at least in Canada. But anyways, so there was many, many years. I moved to Vancouver over 20 years ago, and I've only been to a Canadian Tire out here in Vancouver. I've been to like one or two Canadian Tires, so I wasn't a big shopper at Canadian Tire. In fact, I was quite turned off Canadian Tire for a long time because it seemed like everything was just cheap plastic crap. And so like, it's kind of like sad, but my memories of Canadian Tire are cheap plastic crap and crappy paint, things like that. So I guess we got spoiled though, because I remember like in Ottawa, there's like basically at the time when I was in Ottawa, which is over 20 years ago, there was like Home Hardware and Canadian Tire, and that was about it. And so at that time, I wasn't even working in construction, so I had no idea what high-end quality paint was, or like I didn't have much notice of like what things like Sherwin-Williams or stuff like that. So, but anyways, fast forward, and the Canadian Tire is in quite a fancy part of Vancouver. It's like right downtown. It's in a pretty ritzy area like Canby, and it's like literally a block from Home Depot. And the Canadian Tire store is a really fancy department store now in Vancouver. So I think they completely must have remodeled it. But anyways, when I went in there, I was like pretty much blown away by how big it was, and it was pretty cool. So I went in there, but I don't know. I bought a few things, but I still was kind of turned off by it for some reason. I don't know. They had like this big beefy security guard at the front cash, and I thought, oh, that's kind of creepy. Why do they have that there? And I didn't get a very good vibe from it. It was kind of like, I felt like it was kind of elitist. Like I felt like it was much more relaxing to go into Home Depot. Um, but in a way, I was also happy that Canadian Tire was still around. So, anyways, long story short is that I needed to get this T9 Torx or T10 Torx or whatever. So they didn't have what I wanted at Home Depot, so I headed over to Canadian Tire just to see what they would have. And I was like impressed, like greatly impressed, because they have this brand called Mastercraft right here. Mastercraft. And these are really, really, really nice screwdrivers. Like $16. And they have, by the way, they have a ton of selection of different screwdrivers. So I don't know if you can see that. Like if it's I'll try to put it in the correct focus here, but so this is what you get. You get these two drivers. You can see it's kind of a large and a small screwdriver. And they've got this kind of like little, you press this down right here. You press it down and you can pull this out. Okay. This is really quite cool. So look at actually how long that is. You could get into like the deepest recessed screw with that. That's impressive. The smaller one is not quite as long. But I would say that that's like almost 4 inches there. So, and not only that, there's like, I don't know if you can see, but there's little indentations all up and down here. So what you can do is you hold this down to the first click, and that makes it, that's the longest it'll be. But then if you hold this down and you can push it in, see, so it goes much further down, and then it clicks in. So you could have a screwdriver that's that long, but you could also have a screwdriver that's that long. That's pretty impressive. That's a pretty cool design. And it's really sturdy. See, it's in there nice and tight. I can't even budge that. So it's in that, like, there's a nice metal, there's a nice little metal, however it works. I don't know. It's like, I'm not sure exactly how it works, but it holds it in there nicely. This is perfect for electronics. I don't know how good this would be with like heavy use in like an auto shop or something. I don't know how it would hold up, but it's really nicely designed. And look at the handles. The handles are like quality handles, you know. You got the hard plastic, you got rubber. It's nicely sort of, it's almost like a triangle to form your hand in, for your hand to nicely to grip it like that. Really, really nice design, like really nicely made. Look at that. So for, I would say it's about $12 to $15 US. You get two screwdrivers. See? They're exactly a carbon copy of each other. The small one is just the big one, and the small one, they're exactly the same. They're just different sizes. So this is what you get for $15 at Canadian Tire. So, if you're coming from out of town to Vancouver, a city in Canada, well, I'm sorry about COVID. What are you going to do? But if you come to Canada after COVID or whatever, this is a little treat you can save for yourself. Go to Canadian Tire and check out their Mastercraft tools, because, that's one of the real gems of Canadian Tires, their Mastercraft tools. Not only that, but look what else you get. You get 5 different double-headed ends for that screwdriver. Right? So is that amazing or what? And this is all geared, I would say that this is all geared almost towards electronics, because you get the super small Robertson, you get the super small slot, super small Phillips, you get 2 sizes of small Robertson, 3 small sizes of Robertson, 3 small sizes of slots, 3 small Torx, like lots of. I wish I had the package because it had all the sizes of Torx on it, but it's got like there's like 3, 4. There's in total you get 5, 10, 14 different screwdriver heads. So you get 2, 4, 6, 8 sizes of Torx. 8 different Torx sizes. Eight sizes of Torx. Three sizes of Phillips. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 sizes of Phillips. 1. Can't count today. 2, 3, 4. I think it's 4 sizes of Phillips. 4 sizes of Phillips. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sizes Robertson. 4 sizes Phillips. 4 sizes Robertson. And then you get your Torx. You get even more Torx. You get 1, 2, like I said, was it 8 Torx? 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 sizes of Torx. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6. Yeah. 8 sizes of Torx. So I guess it would be more towards electronics, geared towards electronics than anything else, just because of small sizes. But man, I've seen such crummy, cheap screwdrivers that when you see a really nice set of screwdrivers like this for cheap, not too expensive, but they're so well made, and it's in really, really nice chrome finish on that. So anyways, yeah, if you're in Canada, check out those Mastercraft tools because they are very, very nice tools. I'm very, very impressed with these. Gonna spend a lot of time enjoying using these ones. Thanks for watching.